Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're going to look at some really cool words that help make stories feel way more real.
You know, some words can help you imagine things that are totally still, and then there are others that are all about action. So, let's check them out.
All right, first up, we have the word motionless. This one is awesome for creating a really clear picture in your head.
So what does motionless mean? It just means not moving one bit, completely still. It's an adjective, which is a fancy way of saying it's a word that describes something. Here's a good example. The guard stood motionless at the entrance to the tower. Yeah, you can just see that guard, right? Standing perfectly still, almost like a statue.
Let's try another one. She remained motionless as the shadow passed by the window. Ooh, in this sentence, you get the feeling that staying still is super important. Maybe she's hiding or a little bit scared.
And here's how you can use it to describe nature. The lake was completely motionless, like a sheet of glass. That really helps you picture that smooth water with absolutely no waves or ripples.
Okay, one last example to really get it. He froze, motionless, as if time had stopped. See how that word motionless just adds to that feeling of being totally frozen in place? Cool, right?
Okay, let's check out our next word. It's kind of like motionless, but a little different. The word is static, and it's also about things that don't really change.
So, the definition for static is not changing or moving, just staying the same. And just like motionless, this is an adjective, a describing word.
So what's the difference between these two words? This is pretty important. Motionless is usually about a body, something that's physically not moving. But static is a little bigger. It's often about a whole situation that isn't changing or going anywhere.
For example, the painting showed a static scene of a village in winter. Think about it. That scene in the painting is never, ever going to change. It's always going to be that winter village.
Or how about this one? Her expression remains static, even after hearing the news. This means her face didn't change at all. She didn't show any surprise or anything.
We can even use this word to talk about stories. The story felt too static, with no twists or surprises. That just means the story felt kinda stuck and didn't really have any exciting parts.
And that brings us to our last example for static. A static character does not grow or change throughout the story. You know those characters? They're the same exact person at the beginning of the book as they are at the end.
All right, we've talked a lot about being still and staying the same. Now, let's totally switch gears and look at a word that's all about action.
So, our last word for today is steal. To steal just means to take something that isn't yours without asking. This word is a verb, which means it's an action word. It's something you do.
Let's see it in a sentence. The thief tried to steal the magical mirror from the queen's chamber. You can totally picture that action, can't you? The thief trying to snatch that mirror.
Here's another one, and it's some pretty good advice too. Never steal what you can earn with honesty.
This next example shows us a whole plan in action. He planned to steal the key while the guard was asleep. See? The word steal is the main thing he's planning to do.
And for our last one, did she really steal the crown from the treasure room? Here, the word is part of a big question about a really important action. So there you have it. We've looked at 3 really powerful words today. You can think of them like new tools to put in your reading and writing toolbox. Let's do a super quick recap. Motionless means not moving at all. Static means staying the same, not changing. And steal means taking something that doesn't belong to you. Now you'll be able to spot these words when you're reading, and you can even use them to make your own writing even better. You did some great work today.